Get juicing, slicing, dicing, and experimenting to master the perfect lemonade recipe. National Lemonade Day is about encouraging and supporting the entrepreneurial spirit of young children. This year, National Lemonade Day 2022 falls on Saturday, August 20th. It all began in 2007 when Michael Holthouse established Lemonade Day to boost children's confidence and teach them basic business skills. Michael's daughter Lissa dreamed of getting a pet turtle. However, Lissa's parents were not very fond of the idea since they already had many pets to take care for. Lissa wouldn't take no for an answer and made it her mission to raise funds to buy her own turtle by setting up a lemonade stand. Michael admired Lissa's determination, and it gave Michael the idea to use lemonade stands as a tool to empower kids to learn business skills, develop financial literacy, work towards a goal, and becoming budding entrepreneurs. National Lemonade Day was born, and participating cities, communities, and schools make it their mission every year to challenge children to set up their own companies and sell some lemonade. How to make lemonade. You'll need lemons, sugar, and water. Juice the lemons to make as much juice as you can. To make the job easier, roll the lemons firmly on a work surface, pushing down the heel of your hand before cutting it in half and juicing. Mix all the ingredients in a big jug and adjust the amounts until you have a flavor you're happy with. Continue stirring until all the sugar is dissolved. Next, chill and serve with ice. After you've created and enjoyed your glass of lemonade, learn how to get involved by checking your state's National Lemonade Day website. This is the perfect opportunity to get to know people in your community over glasses of refreshing lemonade and learn the importance of financial responsibility with your earnings. Check the description for details.